If you just updated your Logitech G Hub driver and your device stopped working due to the death loop of Logitech loading screen, or maybe your device is not loading due to the garbage update. And here I spent my whole day to find out the solution for this problem, and here how you can fix it. The first thing you have to do is quit Logitech G Hub and open Microsoft Store and download the Microsoft Media Player. I know it sounds out of syllable answer, but it's working for 70% of Windows 11 users, so you should try that before going to next step. So just install the Microsoft Media Player and open the Logitech G Hub and it should work. If that doesn't work for you, then don't be sad. Let's jump to the next step. Uninstall the Logitech G Hub completely. While doing that, it will ask you to save your current setting. Make sure you uncheck that box, and that way it will uninstall completely. After uninstall complete, open your browser and search for the Logitech G Hub old version. Select this first website. Here you will find all past update version, and I am going to choose directly the 2021 version because in the past it was super quick and simple. Once you download the old version, install it directly and wait for the 1 or 2 minutes to complete the first loading. Here we go, it's complete. Let's skip everything and launch the Logitech G Hub. Here just choose the decide later, because no matter what error info they are collecting, their software update will still be a garbage. And here you can see my device is loaded quickly too. And now just open the setting and uncheck this enable automatic update, and this way you will not get any garbage update. When they can't even fix this simple issue, I don't know how they are releasing the beta style update to the global. Anyway, you can keep this update, or if you don't like the old interface, then you can try to update again. I actually did the update and Logitech G Hub working smoothly now. But whenever I shut down my PC and turn it on, this loading takes the 15 minutes. The freaking 15 minutes takes to showing my gears. It is what it is now. Anyway guys, I hope this video will help you and solve your issue. And guys, if you have a different way to fix this issue, please let us know in the comment box so other will get helps too. As always, thanks for watching and stay blessed.